do.
Awesome.
You want to go back up.
Okay. What?
We blasted! Blasted! How are we winning? Everyone else. What? How are we winning the place?
I have no idea.
We have the finals to still go and we're still...
Come here, girly. Come on. Ah! Let's see what's in your prize bag.
It's cozy stuff. It's cozy stuff.
Nice.
Be careful, I just want to make sure. $20 to
Gift card?
Fire on the Ridge.
Perfect.
Wait, can I see it? Is that for... Look, Mom!
Fire at the Ridge.
It's a Coca-Cola.
Lanyard.
We won the race and the championship. Like and subscribe.